Today I did a quite interesting test on this server. This is a HP prolian ML350P G8 generation 8 server. This is server looks like. So here's the server. I got 4 hard drive here, and it's on RAID 5. Okay, exactly what I'm working on this server, and I successfully installed Windows 10 on this server. So look at this server. It is has 40 gig memory and Intel Xeon E5 2620 CPU. Okay, I got the Windows 10 installed on this server. I did have some trouble at the original try. So first try failed, and I installed Windows 2008 trial version, server version first, and then from the 2008 R2 I installed Windows 10, upgraded, and successfully booted into the system. And now I did some interesting tests. Okay, so one test is for the Windows user performance score. This is score. Look at these regular scores. So generally speaking, this score is determined by the lowest number. So my lowest number for sure is a video card. So the server usually doesn't need a strong video card, so 4.5. But CPU is quite strong, like 8.1. And the memory is also 40 gig memory, so it's got 9. CPU score 9. Okay, it's quite high, this number digit. And the disk score is not so good as far as I know, because the regular SATA drive is 5.9, so this one got 6.3, so a little bit higher. And another interesting test is the DiskMark score. Okay, so as I said, I have a 4 SAS drive made as a RAID 5. So the sequence is high as 500 meg and write 490. So it's a quite high number actually. If we look at Samsung, this is a Samsung SSD drive. So my score, the sequence read and write is close to that SSD, Samsung SSD, okay. But the random read, that too is a random read and write. Because this is a spin hard drive, so the random read write is for sure is much lower than the SSD. And then if I compare to the regular drive with the single hard drive, so here's the one. So SATA 2 only got 158. I'm not sure which drive is worked on, but this one quite high actually. SATA 2 quite high. Usually it's around 100, but maybe this one is 72K hard drive anyway. But this RAID 5 is it did has the much higher speed than those single drive for sure. Okay, so anyway, this is a quick test on this server install, and I found Windows 10 has no trouble to recognize most of the hard drive. Even the RAID card drive, you don't need any extra installation. It's just natively support the RAID card. Okay, why I install Windows 10 on the server? So yeah, it's another topic we can talk about in future. Okay, so anyway, so it's a test install on the HP ML350P generation 8 server. So thanks for watching. I have more interesting technical video to share with you. Please subscribe. Thank you.